All right, so those were just my trimmed green beans in my sheet pan, nice and seasoned. Now I'm bringing in 2 pounds of cooked Italian sausage, and we are just gonna evenly distribute this right on top of our green beans. Oh my goodness, the sausage smells amazing. So I did 1 pound of the hot Italian sausage and then 1 pound of the mild Italian sausage, just for a good, mixture of hot and mild. But you can do all mild or you can do all hot depending on how your family likes it. This is gonna be a super easy sheet pan dinner. And just make sure that Italian sausage gets spread out all over our green beans. Ooh, this dinner is gonna be incredible, I'm telling you. Okay, next we are gonna come in with a little bit of cheese. I'm gonna start off with some mozzarella cheese, and we're gonna just do a light sprinkle to start, but this is gonna be a cheesy dish. Use whatever cheeses you like. I love a mozzarella. And then my second favorite cheese, some Colby Jack. Growing up, Colby Jack was always my favorite. So I'm gonna do a good sprinkle of our Colby Jack. Oh my goodness. Okay, beautiful. Next thing we're gonna come in with is some Alfredo sauce. Oh my gosh, this is gonna really pull everything together. And we're just gonna drizzle this. It's okay if it comes out in splotches, right on top of our entire sheet pan. You can use whatever Alfredo sauce you like. I just like this one because it's kind of affordable. It tastes delicious, has great flavor. But we are gonna use majority of this jar, if not the whole jar, just to get a nice kind of bit on the entire sheet pan, if that made any sense, you guys. Okay, so I used about 3/4 of this jar. Next, we're gonna come back in with our cheese, and I told you we're gonna add more cheese. This is gonna be a cheesy dish. So we're adding another layer of our mozzarella right on top. Oh my goodness, this is almost ready for the oven. So easy, so delicious. You have your veggies, you have your meat, and we have some good flavors. All right, come back with the Colby Jack. Just layering it on because that's what's gonna really make this so delicious. I have one more thing we're gonna add before we pop this in the oven, and I really think it's gonna pull the flavors together.
Extra cheese, please.
Exactly. Okay, so call me crazy. We're gonna add more cheese. This time we're adding our Parmesan cheese. I had a little bit of this left over in the fridge, so I figured I might as well put it on there, stack on the cheese. Oh yeah, the dogs love the cheese, I love the cheese. My husband loves the cheese.
Husband, that's me.
Okay, beautiful. All right, you guys, this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 375, and you're gonna cook this depending on how you like your green beans. I like mine a little crispy, so I'm gonna cook it at 25 minutes. Oh my, this smells so good, you guys. Look at that cheese, the green beans, sausage. Okay, it is time to serve this up. Oh my gosh, dinner is ready. Look at that. That is really, really good.